Hi, I'm Joyce Brinton. I'm an instructor for a Woman's Voice seminar. I'm in a kitchen, not because I think every woman's place is in a kitchen. I'm just here because this is my happy place. This is where I found my comfort zone and my first niche in life. I love cooking. I didn't always, but I was about 11 years old when my mom was sick, and she was instructing me on how to make potato soup for her. While I was doing that, she started talking nonsensical talk, and I realized something's not right here. So I decided to call 911, and she had had a stroke. So from that moment on, I decided I needed to help her. She was really capable and working and really busy, but I felt like it would be helpful if I cooked dinners. So I learned to cook. So I spent a lot of time in the kitchen growing up. While I was in the kitchen growing up, I got to be a really good cook, which was really helpful because I have a family of 4 children and 10 grandkids. So when we're all together, I cook. And when my kids were home, I loved cooking. Now it's just my husband and I enjoy cooking. I don't need to cook as much. So when all the kids left home, I wondered, what the heck am I supposed to do now? Because that was like my natural, happy place, comfort zone. So I had the opportunity to go to China. And I taught in China at an academy called the World Academy for the Future of Women. And at that academy, we taught women how to take a stand for themselves and have a voice. We taught them how to discover their purpose and their passion. It was so exciting for me to watch the transformation in these women's lives. They went from shy, quiet Chinese women to really powerful and expressive women who were really doing things and making things happen and serving people. And they still are to this day. So it's pretty exciting what that happened. So when I came back from my first experience in China, it was a 5-week experience. Everybody in their events and different groups wanted me to come speak and share my experience. So as I did so, women asked me, why don't you teach this in the United States? Women need this here. I said, okay. So I started a Woman's Voice seminar. With that, I have been able to teach women how to get in touch with their own true divine self, how to gain confidence in what they want and what they want to do, how to discover what their soul is calling them to. I fully believe there is even something bigger, more for you here on this planet, and that's what you find in a woman's voice. It's been my way of giving back to what I received. I was able to get so much when I taught in China, and it helped me to find my own voice. But I want to help other women experience the same. So if you want to experience the love, the support, the teachings that you've been looking for, I only offer this class once a year. So click below, reserve your spot. There's limited seating. Come join us in a Woman's Voice and experience what your soul is looking for.